Ready? 3, 2, 1, fire drill.
Hey, stop.
Here we go.
Are you for real?
Fire alarm. Please do not pass through
Room,
the fire
please.
barrier doors.
Morgan, you need to go to your
building.
room.
First
Come on.
floor. Emergency room.
Morgan, buddy, we gotta go back to our room.
Hey Morgan, can we go back to your room, please?
Huh?
Can we go back to
Fire
your room?
alarm. Please do not pass through the fire barrier doors.
Hey, bud, you need to go back in your room.
First floor.
Right here.
Emergency room.
Nope.
I'm just vlogging.
Okay.
You gotta go in
then
there.
You can plug in here.
Well,
Fire alarm.
the fire alarm got pulled
Yeah,
in
you
the...
pulled it. Also, just to tell him that you pulled the fire alarm. You have to stay in your room, buddy.
Okay.
So go ahead and get your back in your bed.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Well, this is gonna be embarrassing. It's like naughty deeds for people to see what I did.
Nope, you gotta stay back in your room, bud. Let go.
I need the people to see.
Okay, you gotta let go.
Can you leave it
You
open?
can't get it. You can't stay. You can't leave. Okay. He's okay. He just pulled the fire alarm.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
That's against the law.
It's nice striking, like what Lamar said. It's just like what Lamar said. It's nice striking. Yep, I did an amazing job. Oh no, the police. You can hear the bell. Look at the busy scene. The busy scene, yeah. I believe they might be evacuating by now. Evacuate the entire hospital. I believe they're aware it was a false alarm. Now the alarm is silenced, but the strobes are still flashing. I believe they hit the silence button in the control panel. They're open.
Morgan,
Yeah,
will you take some medicine for us?
sure.
You will? Okay.
Yes.
If it's okay if they're pills?
Yes.
Okay, we'll get some.
The lights are still going off on the strobes. When the strobes are gonna stop. Don't worry, Amelia, I'm getting the whole scene. Sorry. Yeah, I'm doing this all for YouTube. Yeah, the strobes are still going off. Warning, never pull the fire alarm unless there's a real fire. I know I did it when there was not a real fire. This is just gonna go on YouTube. I did it inside Mercy 1. I know I did it when there was no fire. I'm just a stupid, a stupid person.
Hey,
I know, even though I'm a nice person, I'm a stupid person.
Can I see your tablet real quick? Can you just flip it towards me
Why?
so I can see if you're recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Can I see it?
Why?
You can keep it in your hand. Just flip it towards me.
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay.
There's the whole room. Anyway, the strobes are still going off. When are the strobes going to stop? I'm not really sure. Anyway, folks, welcome to YouTube. There's an exit sign right there. Plus, it does smell like burnt in here, too.
Morgan, hey buddy, here's your nighttime meds. Can you take these, please?
Okay.
I need you to look at what you're
I
taking.
still know a lot of the strobes, so.
Oh, okay. And then I need that back. Before you take a drink of that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Don't tip. You're gonna spill.
Mm-hmm.
Keep going. All right, can I see? Ah, beautiful. Thank you.
Yep, there's a strobe out there flashing. When is this fire alarm going to end?
You want me to tell you?
When?
So we can't turn out the strobe lights until the fire department gets here.
Really?
And then, yeah, so they're going to look at it. They're going to ask what happened. We'll tell them. And then they can have it reset.
Okay.
I don't know how long. It's maybe another 5 minutes. Are the lights kind of bothering you?
Well, yeah, I'm trying to film this.
Hey, are these your shoes?
Yes, they are my shoes.
So yeah, the lights are going to keep going off for a little bit, okay?
Okay.
No, we can do about that.
Are the fire department on their way? Looks like there they come. Here comes the fire department, guys. So, yep. The, Pleasant Hill Fire Department arrived. The PHPD, here they come. Here comes the PHPD. Pleasant Hill Fire Department. PHFD.
No, that's Des Moines. It's Des Moines Fire. Because we're in Des Moines.
Yeah. Des Moines Fire Department, sorry. But I said it wrong. PHFD. Pleasant Hill Fire Department. Also as Des Moines Fire Department. So yes, sorry. Wrong town, yes. Des Moines Fire Department. So they are here now. Basically, how you reset a fire alarm is basically it's a little T-bar I just pulled. You'll see that in the beginning. Once I get money and upload this video, because there's more videos in the vlog of ideas. But like, you know, I know strobes are gonna stop soon. And just think of ideas first. Like, you know. Anyway, how you reset a fire alarm pull station, just take a key and just go whoop, whoop, down or up, and then you can go to the fire alarm control panel, wherever that's at. I can't really mess with that. Like, the fire department has to do that. But there is the Des Moines Fire Department. DMFD. Des Moines Fire Department. DMFD. Yep. But the strobes are flashing. The fire department's here. This is like a very bad thing to do. Never do that in a real building. What I did was stupid. It was dumb. I just wanted to post it on YouTube. I'm here because I did some stupid stuff. And basically, you know. Fire department once again. Get the strobes. And I believe the strobes have stopped. Let's wait until the fire department leaves. I believe they're leaving right now, and so the video is ended. It's basically been a 10-minute video of fire and safety. So, even though it was illegally to pull the fire alarm. Anyway, guys, it's Morgan Caswell. Please don't report my video. This was just for, like, to watch, okay? This was to watch. It was for entertainment purposes. Like I said, never pull the fire alarm unless there's a real fire. I will show my face. I am inside a hospital. Hello, people. It's Morgan Caswell here. Why am I in a hospital, you may ask? Because I have done some very wrong things at home. Anyway, I need to get settled down now since the video's over. Anyway, peace out. Good night. There's nothing much for me to do. Peace out. Whew.